Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's videos I'm going to show you on how to connect your M4 smartwatch to your smartphone. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel again. This is Josh here, and for today's video I will be showing you on how to connect your M4 smartwatch, which we bought for only $5 on your smartphone. Okay, so guys, all we just have to do is we are going to go to the App Store if you have an iPhone, and after that we are going to download Fit Pro. Okay, so let's click this one. Alright, so let's download Fit Pro. Okay, so let's just wait for a while. Alright guys, so it's already downloaded. So all we just have to do is we're going to go to our Fit Pro app. Okay, and all you just have to do guys is just click OK, Bluetooth, and also just try to turn on all categories if you're using iPhone. And here guys, I received some questions. So should you need to log in? So if you don't want, just click jump over, and from there you can see their different menus. Okay, so for you have home, setting, motion, and mine. So we're going to go to the setting, and after that we're going to click here, bind devices to experience more features. So let's click this one. Okay, please check the Bluetooth is available. So let's turn our Bluetooth on. Okay, and it has detected our smart bracelet, so let's click this one. Okay, and guys, as you can see, there's already icon there saying that our smart bracelet is already connected. Yes, so let's click pair. Alright guys, so it's already connected. So for us to find out if we successfully connected it, so we'll just have to do is click on the find, yes, here, and as you can see, it is vibrating. Yes, so let's do it again, and as you can see, it said they're looking for. Alright guys, so that's how easy it is to connect your M4 smartwatch to your smartphone. And guys, in the application, so let's try to check if what are the features that it has. So we have here home, you have your distance, calories, and your aim. And let's scroll up, then there's HR, or your heart rate, sleep, healthy habit, and we click on the setting. So there's also remote take photos, message push setting, dial settings, and also other features like the upgrades. It's just how easy to connect your M4 smart bracelet to your smartphone. Okay guys, so if you have any questions, just comment down below, and if you want me to do more tutorials about something about this smartwatch, just also comment down below guys. Once again, this is Josh, and I'll see you soon.